Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 decimal exercise 8.5. In this exercise, we know that how to add two or more decimal number, how to find sum of two or more decimal numbers. The question number 1, exercise 8.5. You can see on this green boards. Question number 1 have find the sum in each of the followings. Here you can see the A part of question number is A part of question number 1 is 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. We need to add them. Okay, so how to sum such a decimal number? Let's see here. First, write the given question is that this is given 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. Okay, so you can see here these numbers is at the 10th place, 100th place, 100th place and 1000th place. Okay, and here this is the after decimal only 10th place, and this number is after decimal only 100th place. Okay, so how to sum this number is like this. So first write this number in this is a horizontal method, and we add them in column method or vertical method. So first write 0.007 here, 007. After this you can see 8.5. So 8, that is 8.5. After you write here 0, no problems. Okay, to make it like decimal. And next is 30.08. So you can write here 30. The unit digit is 0. This is 30. After this decimal below you write again decimal 30.08. So we write here 08, and also you can write 10 again. This is no problem. 0.5 means you can write 0.5000 according to your needs. Okay, like this. This is 0.5. Okay, so you can write it like this 0.50000 according to your need. This is the value of this decimal number is only 0.5. Okay, so here you can see this is the 8.5, but we write it 8.50 8.500. Okay, this is because this is a 0.007. Okay, so we add them as we add natural numbers. So here we write plus 7 plus 0 plus 0. This becomes 7. Again 0 plus 0 plus 8. This is equal to 8. And now 0 plus 5 plus 0. This is equal to 5. Okay. After this is the decimal 1 2. So we write here decimal. This is point, and here 0 plus 8 plus 0. 0 plus 8 is 8, and 8 plus 0 again. This is 8. So we write here 8. Now this is 3. So 3 we write as it is. So in this way you can see we plus them. You will find the sum of 0.007 plus 8.500 plus 30.080. Okay, so this is the vertical methods. Okay, or you can say column methods to sum the decimal numbers, and this is a horizontal methods. Okay, or row methods. So if we find the sum of these row methods, then first we make each decimal number as a like decimals. Okay, So we can change it. You can write it like this: 0.007, because here you can see the digit at thousands place and here only tens place. So you can change it 8.500. This is also a thousands place, and here plus 30 point. After decimal here 2 digits, but here after decimal 3 digits. So we change, and after decimal only 1 digit. So we can make in after decimal 3 digit. So we use 20 here after the right of 5. Okay, here we can discard as 0.5. You can write it also 0.5000, any 0 according to your need. Okay, but the value of this number is also equal to 0.5. Okay, so here after digit, after decimal only 2 digit here, but here 3 digit, here 1 digit. So we make write 0 after, write the digit numbers, then it's become 3 digit after decimal. So it becomes 30.080. Okay, so sum them. First we sum 8 the thousand place. So here thousand place is 0, here 0, here 7. So 0 plus 0 plus 7, this is equal to 7. Okay, after this 100th place is 8, here 100th place is 0, 100th place is 0. So 8 plus 0, this is equal to 0, plus 0, this is equal to also 0. Okay, now the 10th place is here, 10th place is 0, here 10th place is 5, and 10th place is 0. So 0 plus 5, this is equal to 5, again 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5. So you can write here 5. After this decimal, so here we write decimals. Okay, after this we sum the ones place digit. Ones place digit is 0 here, here 8, and here 0. Okay, so 0 plus 8 plus 0, this is equal to 8. After this 10 place tens place digit, we sum tens place digit. So here you can see tens place digit, here 3 only, but here one no tens place digit, and here also you can see not given tens place digit. So with the add them only 30. Okay, so in this way you can see we find the sum of the given decimal expression. This is equal to sum of 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. This is equal to 38.587. This is a horizontal methods, or you can say row methods. This is a column methods, or you can say vertical methods. Okay, depend on you how to add them. The answer of both methods are right, 38.587. After decimal we read here the digit as a digit 587. Okay, before decimal we read 38. Okay, this is number 38, but after decimals we read it 587, not as a 587. This is wrong. Okay, we read it 38.587 as a digit. Okay, now this is B part. B part is 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. Okay, so let's see how to add them. So first here you can see this is B part given 15 plus 0. This is not it is 632. You can read it 632, 0.632. Here you can see after digit 3 decimal, after decimal 3 digit, but here after decimal no digit. Okay, so first we make it in like decimal. Okay, plus this is given 13.8. 13.8. Here you can see after decimal only one digit. Okay, so also you can add by column methods. So for column method we can write here 15.000. Okay, here you can see after decimal 3 digit. Okay, but the value of this number is only 15. Okay, because here you can see in this number 0.632 after this, after decimal given 3 digits. So we make here 15, we can write 15 as a 0.000. Okay, and here next 0.632 plus them and 13.8. Okay, so you can write here 13.8 as like this 0 0 and something. Okay, in this way you can make the given decimal as a like decimal. So 0 plus 2 plus 0, 0 plus 2, this is equal to 2. Again 2 plus 0, this is equal to 2. Now this is 0 plus 3, this is equal to 3. 3 plus 0, again this is 3. Now next is 6. 0 plus 6, this is 6, and 6 plus 8, this is 14. 6 plus 8, this is 14. We write here 4 and carry here 1. Okay, clear? And again 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 0 6, and 6 plus 3, this is equal to 9. And before it we write here decimal. Okay, and this is the 5, 1 plus 5 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 3, this is equal to 9. And here next 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. So in this way you can see the sum of the given decimal is 29.432. Okay, now you can also sum it in row methods or horizontal methods. Okay, so for this first we convert it the given decimal in like decimals. Okay, because here you can see this is after digit, here after decimal here 3 digit. Okay, so 15, you can write 15 like this, 15.000 plus 0.632 plus 13.8, we write 13.8 as it is, 13.800. Okay, so in this way each numbers have 3 digit after decimals. Okay, once this is a 10th place, 100th place, this is 1000th place. Okay, because here given 1000th place. Okay, after digit 3 decimal, so we can make convert every decimal number after the digit 3 decimal. In this way they becomes like decimal. Okay, now next step, we first add the thousandth digits. So here thousand digit 0 plus 2 plus 0. So 0 plus 2 plus 0, it is equal to 2. Here you write 2. Again that 100th place digit. Now we are going to add 100th place digit. Here 100th place digit is 0. Here 3. Here again 0. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 0, again this is equal to 0. So we write here 3. Now we are going to add 10th plus place digit. 10th place digit here 8, here 6, and here 0. Now so 6 plus 8, Here 10th place digit is 8. 8 plus 6, this is equal to 14. 14 plus 0, this again is equal to 14. So 14, 4, we write here 4. Again take 1 carry. Now, and after this decimal, so we write here decimal. Okay. Now, we are going to add sum of ones place digit. So unit place digit is 3. Here 0, here 5, and carry 1 is left. So 3 plus 0 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1, this carry, this is equal to 9. Okay. After this, we are going to add the 10 place digit. 10 place digit here 1. Here nothing, but you can say 0. Here 10 place digit is 1. So 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. So you can see here, we find the sum of 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. This is equal to 29.432. So student, I hope all of you understood how to sum the given decimal numbers. 2 or more given decimal numbers. So now we are going to discuss next part. C part of question number 1 is that 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.4 0.004. So let's see how to add them. So here first write the given sum is this is C part. We write the given sum 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. Here you can see after this, here after decimal 3 digit, after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 3 digit. Okay. So first we make it in like decimal. So first we add the given sum as a column methods. Okay. So for this we write here 27.076 0.550 plus again plus 0.004. Okay. So this is a column methods. You can use column method to sum of the aid of the given sum. Okay, or you can use horizontal methods. Okay. So first we add hundredth, thousandth place of digit. So thousandth place digit is 604. So 6 plus 0, this is equal to 6, and 6 plus 4, this is equal to 10. So here you write 10, 0, carry here 1. Okay. Again 1 plus 7, this is equal to 8. 8 plus 5, this is equal to 13, and 13 plus 0, this is equal to 13, and 13 we write here 3, again carry 1. Okay. So 1 plus 0, this is equal to 1. 1 plus 5, this is equal to 6. 6 plus 0, this is equal to again 6. Okay. After this we write here a decimal. Okay. And now we are going to sum the ones place digit. So here you can say ones place digit is 7. Here 0, here again 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7, and 7 plus 0 is again 7. So we write here 7. Okay. And now we add the tens place digits. So here tens place digit is 2. Here nothing but 0. Okay. So 2 right here as it is. In this way you can see the sum of this decimal number is 27.630. Now Also you can add them in the horizontal method. Okay, so first we make it as a like decimal. So for this we make each decimal number after 3 digit. Okay, so you can write it 27.076 plus 0.550 plus 0.004. Okay, so you can see here we make it like decimal, and each decimal numbers have 3 digit after decimal. Okay, so first we add the thousands place of each decimal number. So here thousands place digit is 4, here 0, here 6. Okay, so 4 plus 0, this is equal to 4, and 4 plus 6, this is equal to 10. So 10 you write here 0 and carry 1. Okay, now at 10th place digit is, sorry, 100 position, here 0, here 5, and here 7. Okay, so 0 plus 5, 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 is 12, and 1 carry is equal to 13. Carry 1, again carry 1. Now we are going to add the 10th plus place digit. The 10th plus digit is 0 plus 5, this is equal to 5, 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5, and carry 1 is equal to 6. After this we have decimal, after this we write here decimal. Now this is clear, and now we are going to add the ones place digit. Here ones unit place digit is 0, here 0, here 7. So you can write here at 27, because both decimal numbers no have ones digit or tens digit. So you can write here 27 as it is. So in this way you can see here the sum of these decimal numbers and these decimals is 27.630. So students, I hope all of you understood this question. Now students, this is the next part, B part, E part and F part of question number 1. Here we find two sum of given and decimal numbers. One time we find the sum by column methods, and again we find the sum by horizontal methods. Okay, column method also called vertical methods, and horizontal method is called row methods. Okay, so let's see how to solve such problem. So first we are given D part is that 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.0. Okay, so first we solve this question in column method. So here we write, and you can see in these decimal numbers, the after decimal here 3 digit, here after decimal 1 digit, here after decimal 2 digit. So we make each decimal number that after decimal 3 digits. For this becomes like fraction, like decimal. So here you write 25.65 0 and plus 9.005 plus 3.700 and sum them. Okay, we sum them. First we add the thousands place digit are 0, 5, 0. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Again 5 plus 0 is 5. So here 0 plus 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5, and 100 plus digit is 100 plus digit. Here you can see 5 plus 0 plus 0. So 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5. Again 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5. So here you can write 5. Now the next digit is a 10th digit. We sum the 10th place digit. So here 6 plus 0 plus 7. So 6 plus 0, this is equal to 0. Again 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13, we write here 3 and carry 1. Okay, now again write here decimal, because after this in decimal, and again 5, this is 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 3 18. I will write here 8 carry 1. Again write here 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, this is equal to 3. So in this way you can see we sum, we add them, we obtain the sum of the given sum 38.355. Okay, now we are going to sum this sum as in a horizontal methods. Okay, so first we make it in like decimal. So for this we write here 25.650 plus 9.005 plus 3.700, because here you can see after decimal 3 digit. So we make here also after decimal 3 digit, and here after decimal 3 digit, but here this is given after decimal 1 digit. But we write here 20, write up 7, then the value of 3.7 is same as 3.700. Okay, so now we are going to add the thousands place digit. So here 0 plus 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5. Now next hundreds place digit is 0 plus 0 plus 5, this is equal to 5. Now 10th place digit is 7 plus 0 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6 13, this is equal to 3 carry 1. Okay, again after this here we write point and decimal, and we have carry 1. Okay, so here write 3, and now we are going to add the ones place digit 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 5, 13 plus 5, this is equal to 18. 8, again carry 1. Now we have only 10 place digit only 2 here, so 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3. In this way you can see we sum them 30.355. So student, I hope all of you understood these problems. Now we have A part of this question number 1, 0.75 plus 10.425 and plus 2. Okay, so let's see how to sum them. Okay, so here E part, this is given 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2, this is given. So first we make it as a like fraction. How we make it like fraction? We here you can see the after decimal 3 digit. So we make here after decimal 3 digit, and here also after decimal 3 digit. So how to make them? So first this is to write here 0.750. Again here 10.425 plus 2.000. Okay, so add them 0 plus 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5. 0 plus 5 plus 0, this is equal to 5. Now this point, this place, and 0 plus 2 plus 5, this is equal to 7. And 10th place, 0 plus 4 plus 7, 0 plus 4 is 0 or 4, and 4 plus 7 is 11. This is 1, carry 1. Now we add the ones place digit 2 plus 0 2, and 0 plus 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3. So here we write decimal and here 3, and after this you have here 1 and no digit at tens place, so you write here 1. Simply you can see, you find the sum of the given decimal is 13.175. So student, I hope all of you are familiar the addition of decimal numbers, and you can solve yourself. Okay, the part of question number 1. So thank you for watching, and Jai Hind.